Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily fix this error 0x80004005 error, unspecified error. So this error happens when extracting a file. So let's say if I'm extracting this file and it shows this error, so I'm going to be showing you how we can easily fix that. So in order to do that, what I'll first do is open your browser and type in 7zip and press enter, and you can see the first website that pops up. You have to click on it, and now you can see this exe file, which is the top option, which you have to click on the download option. And once the download is completed, you have to save it, and now open the app and click on install. So that's going to install the 7zip file manager. So in order to solve this problem, what you have to do is you have to go onto your zip file that you want to extract and click on it, and right click and click on show more options, and it'll say there will be an option called 7zip, and go hover onto that and click on extract files. And now if I click on OK, you can see the extract is done without any errors. So that's how we can easily extract an error. So that's how we can easily extract a file without showing this error. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.